Hey, Destiny.
Hey, Mommy.
What are you doing?
The YouTube channel.
You're starting a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
What are you making?
A plane.
A plane?
Yes.
Let me see. Go, finish your plane.
No, your turn.
Oh, your Uncle Joshua is helping you?
Yeah.
Go, let's go. Let's finish the plane.
I'm gonna put the people.
And these are Stackadoos that we bought at Target.
For me.
For you and who else? And your sister. Say hi, Delilah. Stackadoos. And show me how do you use the Stackadoos.
Stackadoos are very expensive.
Hi. I'm eating a big space. How?
What are you making? A big house?
No, a space.
A big space?
Yeah.
An airplane.
Mommy.
An airplane?
No, a space.
Spaceship?
Yeah.
But make it, let me see.
They're making this.
Oh, they're making it for you?
Yeah. No, it's for her and not for me. It's that. I'm making a plane. I'm not like a spaceship. Hi.
You're making a spaceship?
No.
Your uncle's making a spaceship for you?
No,
Nice.
it's Joseph. It's Joseph.
They're very easy to build, right?
Yeah. Kid can't do that. Mommy, I'm gonna put the kid. There's all these families. Yes, these families.
And this brings about 68 pieces.
There's 68 pieces.
It's really fun to play with, right, Destiny?
It's fun to play with, yeah.
Delilah, you like playing with yours?
Yeah. You me.
Yeah.
Yeah. Big. I know. Mommy.
This is my spaceship. No,
Oh, be
But Destiny, build something. Help out.
I'm gonna put the people.
Oh, those are the people?
Yeah.
How many people do you have?
1,
No,
2,
real fast.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 people. 10. There's 10 people.
10 people?
Yeah. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
I'm building the spaceship.
Delilah, you want to help?
Look at the people.
Not now, not now. We're gonna have a roof. That's Delilah. You don't want a spaceship? Okay, I'm not gonna build it. It's a plane, not a spaceship. And put it here. Okay, that's it. Yeah. This one has to be over here.
Oh. And but this.
And look, I could put the
These
door.
two could.
That
That's a nice
the
airplane.
roof. You want a roof?
These could be the babies for the moms.
Here's mom. Look, you want to put the engines in the back? That's my idea. Don't you have to pay for everything?